Hi, I'm Steve Galliano, Product Manager for HP Consumer Cases. Let's take a look on the features, pockets, and organizational compartments for the HP Renew Travel 15.6-inch laptop bag. The first thing I want to talk about is that this bag is made from sustainable materials, obtained by recycling plastic bottles from the landfills and pre-consumer waste in the production line via the reproof process. 6 plastic bottles are recycled into the material of this bag, and the process is even printed inside for you to see the positive impact you're contributing on the planet. Don't let travel take a toll on your technology. This slim and ultralight bag has a padded exterior and interior to assure adequate protection for laptops from 13.3 up to 15.6 inches in size, as well as accessories, documents, and gadgets. Plus, the material of this bag is durable, protecting from scratches, bumps, dust, and yes, it's water resistant. Secure your laptop in a dedicated laptop pocket. Internal and external pockets help you organize all of your items smartly. Let's see how many items we can fit neatly in this laptop bag. We have also added features to the exterior of the bag that make the travel experience easy while keeping your belongings safe. First, the padded, adjustable, and also removable shoulder strap. Plus, the padded top handle will help you move comfortably. Second, 3 quick access pockets, 2 in the front, including a key fob, and also organizational compartments for your phone and battery, and in the back, a Velcro pocket for you to carry all of your essentials while on the go, like face masks. Third, metallic D-rings on each side for you to hang your umbrella or your reusable water bottle. Plus, 2 elastic bands at the end of the zipper to enhance the security while on the go. And lastly, make travel transfers easy breezy. Use the trolley strap located in the back of your bag to attach into your suitcase. And be ready for travel in 2021 with the HP Renew Travel 15.6-inch laptop bag.